What's up, everybody? We're at the Firework place right now.
Remember a shot you had a couple years ago?
This is why I like going to places like this, because look, you get one for that, or you can get a whole case of 16 for that. There you go. Country boy. Growler. Excalibur. So that's not bad. You get a case of 3 for $3.99 or 1 for that. That's not bad. Big rolls of firecrackers. What is? How many is in that? Like 2,000. And you get these little ones, 500. All the mortars and shooters here. A lot of different stuff. This one's a pretty cool pack. How much is this? This comes with all kinds of shit in there. 17 pieces, 360 shots. There's a lot of stuff here, y'all. I was worried that it was too close to the end of the year and they'd be running out, but they're not running out. They got plenty of stock. Over here is more of the fountains and simple stuff on the other side. This is all the explosives, what we want. Look at that thing. That's freaking crazy. What do they want for that? $2.99. That's actually not bad for that. I want to get something like this probably. Pretty good. How about you? Oh, I'm just glancing around. I'm like a kid in a candy shop, you know? Alright, now we're going to start picking some stuff out here, folks. Picking up the bottle rockets. But it's had a big cake too. 750 shots. 300 shots. I'm getting these little 100 shotters. And a bunch of these little ones here. Up the firecrackers, grab a couple of these, we'll be set. Y'all like the little Roman candles and fire sticks. These I don't advise anyone unless you have the room, because these sticks come down to earth, and you know, if you got neighbors and that, they could be hitting the cars and everything else like that. And you got all this stuff for little kids, you know. You got the poppers. Everyone knows the poppers. Smoke things and other accessories like that.